Hello, welcome back to my channel, SendTech. This video, I'm going to show you how to install a Windows 10, which is going to be a genuine Windows. It's not going to be the fake Windows. It's very easy and very small process to do. So all we have to do is to go on the Google Chrome, just open google.com and write Windows 10 download. So you have to select the first option, which is directly from the Microsoft.com. Just need to click that. So you need to go down and you need to select download tool now. The file has been downloaded. You just need to click yes. Take a little bit more time. I'm gonna skip it. And now you have to press accept. It's gonna take more time. And then you'll have two options. First option is upgrade this PC now. And the second option is create installation media through USB. And then now we have to select create installation media. And then language English, Windows 10. And if you want to use 64 or 32, you'll have more option. So it depends which one do you want to use. So if you have 4 GB RAM or less, then you have to install 32-bit. If it's more than 4 GB, and then you can install 64-bit. Press next. And then you have to select USB flash drive. Press next. So I have to put USB and then press refresh. I've inserted the flash drive. Now I'll press refresh. Now it shows my USB. Press next. It's gonna take like few minutes, depending on your PC, 5 to 10 minutes. After downloading all this, you're all done. All you have to do is restart your PC and insert the flash drive in your PC, and then it will reboot in your system, and then you can install a window. And for activation, I've made another video. So please watch that video. I'm gonna add the link for the video so you can activate your Windows easily. Thank you for watching my video and please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.